Stormblood the other day. Got past Raubon's well much faster than I did, you know, the first time I did that.
Does everyone know where they're going? Just want to make sure.
Check ready, they did.
Okay.
Northwest.
Alright. You ready for the AoE?
Oh no. Anybody know the keyboard shortcut to not make you walk permanently? I must have bumped the keyboard.
It's like slash and numpad.
Alright, you're ready to get away.
It's what now?
Numpad slash, like next to numblock.
Get away, get out. Alright, get ready for puddles.
I'm going to die.
Puddles are spawning.
Numpad slash, but you gotta have a.
Numpad.
I made it to the puddle, that's all that matters in
Numpad
life.
needs to be on.
Alright, get ready to stack with your group soon.
Oh my god, you just saved my life.
Stack with your group, stack with your group.
Numlock was off, that's why I couldn't get it to switch back.
Stack with your group.
Numlock is off, I got wings.
Alright, get ready for Tank Buster soon. On Rob. Tank Buster's gonna be going out. Get ready for tethers. Tanks and heals go northeast.
Fuck me.
Alright, get ready for Phantom Room. Make sure to get in soon.
Does she come back to middle on her own, or do you pull her there?
In.
She does that on her own.
Alright, arena's gonna be changing.
GCD behind.
Alright, make sure everyone gets behind the boss a little ways away from it so Ty can grab the tether. Tether's about to be going out. Don't be near one side. Tether's going out now.
Oh shit.
I guess I got it. Taking it away. Alright, number 2, get ready to grab tether. 2, grab
Grabbing
tether.
it. Got it, move.
Alright. Number 3, get ready to grab tether. 3, grab tether. 3, grab tether. 3. Or not. Alright.
Number 4.
4, grab tether. Alright, 5, grab tether. 5, grab tether. Well, 3's got it. Just let 3 get it. Alright. 5, grab tether. 5, grab tether. Alright. 6, we're done. Okay. Get ready for Fey Light on Rob. Don't be in front of the boss. Alright, he's got home gating for this.
I don't have Benny, I can't pull him back up.
Get ready for Vines. Vines plus tethers. Vines plus
There were
tethers.
4 hits the second time, right, Teo?
Yeah. 4 hits, yeah.
There's 3 hits that first
Alright,
time.
tanks and heals going northwest to break tether. Break a tether northwest.
Shit, I did too early. My bad.
It's okay, you're good. Alright, come back in and get ready for another tank buster on Rob. Big cleave tank buster. Hey, leave one.
You're so unpleased.
Alright, get ready for Shiva runes. Leave one of those for me. Shiva runes, followed by purple markers. Shiva. Alright, looks like we're going to B side B. And then get ready to run center. Go ahead and spread for purple markers. After this will be Phantom runes, so make sure you watch out for in or out. It's gonna be in or out. Alright, it's in. Get in. After this, get ready for the 3 small trees. Tree phase.
And nuke.
Tree phase is
I can't
popping
even
up.
see its animation on her ugly face.
Alright. Watch out for the cone AoE and 4 purple markers. Small cone AoE and 4 purple markers. Alright. Hurry up and kill that thing. and then focus down puck, and get ready for 4 more purple markers.
Jesus, Rob, what did it hit you with?
Tank buster.
Yeah, but like,
4
I've
purple
never
markers.
seen it hit your health so hard before.
I won't stack this way.
All right, go ahead and kill Blossom before she does another tank buster. Alrighty. Alright, now let's get ready for the same exact stuff, but big this time. So watch out for a big cone AoE over by B side. And watch out for big purple markers. 4 big purple markers. Alright, so watch out for the big cone AoE. And 4 big purple markers. Here we go. Big cone AoE is going out. Move, dodge, or spread out for big purple markers. And then go ahead and stack. Go ahead and stack for the stack mechanic. And after the stack mechanic, get ready for the line AoE, tethers, and knockback. So be close to the center. So watch out for the line AoE, tethers, and knockback.
Vines will come out.
Yeah. Line AoE, tethers, and knockback. Alright, so tanks and heals. Tanks and heals, make sure you get knocked back to northwest. Tanks and heals get knocked back to northwest. Okay, get ready for 2 big purple markers, and get ready for a stack mechanic. If you have purple markers, get away from the stack mechanic. Purple markers, get away from the stack mechanic.
Sorry.
Alright, we're good, we're good.
Kill the last one.
Yeah, kill the last one, kill Blossom. Alright, and then go ahead and mitigate for the raid wide.
I'll pop tactician here.
Got wings.
There's gonna be a tank swap.
Yeah, tank swap soon.
Start.
I love my wings.
After this raid wide AoE, get ready for Mist Rune, which is going to be Puddles, followed by Phantom Rune, which is going to be the in or out. So get ready to do the in or out first. I vote, by the way.
Yeah, in or out first.
Good 3's not up.
Alright, in or out first. Puddles are spawning, but don't go to them yet. You're ready to do in or out.
Out.
Out, out, out. Alright, get your puddles, get your puddles. And then get ready to stack with your group. Ty's group will be on 2, Rob's group will be on 1. We may adjust depending on vines. The vines are about to spawn. We'll be moving clockwise if vines are in a bad spot. Get
We
ready.
can stay.
Alright, vines. Alright. Alright, we're staying. We're good. Alright. Get ready for the in or out next. Another in or out.
In or out.
And then after this in or out, we'll be in AoE. And it's gonna be
Out.
out,
Okay.
out, in, it's
Sorry.
in. Alright, AoE. AoE's next.
You're still tanking, by the way.
Yeah, I know. I'm turning him north. Oh, you need. But yeah, we're good. Okay, now get ready for Fey Light on Okami after this. Fey Light will be next. I'll have Super Bowl Light for this.
There's 4 hits to this one.
Yep. Alright, if you have Benny, that'd be great. Thank you. Alright, after this Fade Light, get ready for the Shiva circles, followed by purple markers. Shiva circles, followed by purple markers. Alright, Shirk. Shiva circles are up. Alright, looks like it's me by D. D.
Stupid.
And then go back to the center and spread for purple markers. After these purple markers, get ready for another AoE. Healers, another AoE. And then after this AoE, make sure you're far behind the boss, everyone. And get ready for tether. Ty's got to grab the tether, so don't be directly behind the boss. Like, you know, I mean, further, yeah, that's good, Alright. Alright, taking it to one side. So number 2, get ready to grab tether. 2, grab tether.
Ready. Grab it.
Alright. 3, get ready to grab tether. 3, listen, get ready to grab tether. There you go. Alright, 4, get ready to grab tether. 4, grab tether. Alright, 5, grab tether soon. 5, grab tether. 5, grab tether. Alright. 6, get ready to grab tether. Last healer, grab tether. Nicely done.
Is this what it feels like to be a caster?
Alright, get ready for vines and tethers.
Yes.
Vines and tethers. Vines will pop up in one of the corners. We'll adjust depending on where we need to go. And get ready to break tethers. Alright, tanks and heels, break tethers northeast. Tanks and heels, break tethers northeast. Nicely done. Get back in and get ready for a phantom circle.
Fuck you.
Phantom rune, I mean. It's me in or out. In or out. And it's gonna be.
Real.
Alright, in. Alright, he's gonna do another phantom circle. Phantom rune, I mean. And it's gonna be out. So just get away from the boss. Get away from the boss. And then we'll go ahead and clear this. And then get ready for an AoE. We're gonna see the AoE, I believe. You know, be the. Yeah, we're gonna see it, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, we are.
And that's it. Alrighty. I think that's. What's this? Tank Buster? Okay.
Yeah, I think Buster. We're good.
I
Alright.
don't know why people are having such a hard time getting her before she hits enrage.
Yeah.
Oh, look at
Healer,
that.
not healer. Ooh, wait
Ninja.
a minute. Anyone need those? Because I do.
Passing on that.
I don't even want to know my numbers right now. I died.